In many relationships, the real work happens in the unspoken needs behind every argument. Take Mia and Jay, who mapped their weekly routines to identify when stress sparked fights, discovering that small mismatches over time caused big rifts. By naming wants as specific signals rather than vague complaints and practicing active listening, they built trust and found win-win solutions. Psychology shows that using collaborative problem solving and reframing conflicts as joint experiments reduces defensiveness and increases lasting agreement. This episode offers simple scripts, a mini case study, and 3 practical drills to turn tense moments into constructive conversations.